Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is one word answer. Our today's topic is one word answer. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 6. Lecture number 8 and SW number 6. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 7 one word answer. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 7 one word question and answer. Now we will learn all of the questions answer. So let's start. Our first question is, who has no partner? Who has no partner? Yes, our answer will be Allah. Answer is Allah, because my dear students, you know that Allah has no partner, He is one and He is alone. In this regard, answer will be Allah. Question number 2, what is the meaning of Iman? What is the meaning of Iman? Answer is faith, because my dear students, you know that Iman means faith. In this regard, answer will be faith. So answer is faith. Now question number 3, what is the meaning of kalima tayyiba? What is the meaning of kalima tayyiba? Yes, answer is holy message. Answer is holy message, because my dear students, you know that kalima tayyiba means holy message. In this regard, answer will be holy message. Now question number 4, whose message is kalima tayyiba? Whose message is kalima tayyiba? Yes, my dear students, our answer will be Allah, because you know that Allah's message is called kalima tayyiba. In this regard, answer will be Allah. Now question number 5, who are our nearest and closest? Who are our nearest and closest? Answer will be parents. Answer will be parents, because my dear students, you know that in this earth, parents are our nearest and closest. In this regard, our answer will be parents. Now question number 6, behave well with your parents. Who said it? Behave well with your parents. Who said it? Answer will be Allah. Answer will be Allah. Allah asked us to behave well with our parents. In this regard, answer will be Allah. Now question number 7, what is the meaning of salam? What is the meaning of salam? Answer will be peace. Answer will be peace, because my dear students, you know that salam means peace. In this regard, answer will be peace. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 7 one word answer. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you know that today is our SW number 6, and you will make SW at your home. One word answer from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. My dear students, you will make SW at your home, one word answer from 1 to 5 in this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. My dear students, you must submit your SW copy on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Don't forget to submit your SW copy. My dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.